Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I have the Allure Beauty Box for the month of April 2026 to unbox with you. There is a customization in here. I don't remember which one I chose. I have a guess. And if you're new to the channel, I like to post spoiler videos as well. So there is an annual subscription, which is what I have, but it has lasted me almost a year and a half at this point and will likely last me about 2 years. I've been skipping a lot just because I am overloaded with products, but that's why I post the subscription spoilers for you so you can make a choice about your subscription and also like your storage situation. Let me unbox this with you. Again, I think there's like a few full-size items in here. It's a good mix, if I remember correctly, between skincare and makeup for this box. I don't remember if I said, but there is going to be a variation that you can select for next month as well. I won't give you the spoiler, but it is something that you're able to choose a bit different color variation for. So go into your subscription and choose that way. This is what it looks like. Every month there is also a guide about the products and there's coupon codes. If there's any coupon codes, I'll let you know that. Oh, there's a code for $10 off the member store, so you do have to be a member to access the store, but this is not a special code to me. If you want to get the box this month, make sure you subscribe in the month of April, and then I have a link below if you want to get some money off your first box, and then I think I get like a coupon code for the box store, but I never use it, but just letting you know there. And then also Rakuten has a cashback usually, and I have a Rakuten cashback link below as well. It's a personal referral link, so I'll get some money for referring you, but you will also get additional cashback for using my link. Oh yes, I remember. Yeah, I was right with what I thought it was, because I always make my customization selection, but then I don't always get the box, so I couldn't remember if it was this box or a different box. So what I ended up choosing was for this YSL Love Shine Candy Glaze, which is their lip product. I chose the shade number 2, which is a Healthy Glow Plumper, and the reason why I chose this was that I got a small sample like maybe a year or two ago, and I really liked it, and I figured the full size was nice to get in the subscription box. This is what it looks like, and it does not appear to want to, oh here, okay. It was very difficult to get it even to come up a little bit, but I got the Healthy Glow Plumper. They had other shades that were like actual colors, but I'm not a huge colored lip person. So this is full size obviously, and it is YSL. So they had other shade options as I mentioned. So I have the Healthy Glow Plumper. There's also Watermelon High, Flashing Rosé, and Nude Lavier. So those are the 4 options, and it says, it's hard to say what's more luxurious, how the glossy formula looks on lips or its incredibly chic silver tube. Good thing you don't have to decide. You did, however, have to choose one of the 4 gorgeous shades above to receive in your box. It feels great too thanks to the glassy jelly texture infused with hydrating hyaluronic acid and extra smooth glide. It's $43 for the full size, which is what we got. So already has paid for the full box, and I have been going through lip products like, I don't know, it's very strange. Like I use it all the way down to the end, and I've gone through quite a bit. I have empties. Let me know if you want to see my empties. I plan on making the video eventually when I have some time. The next product is something that I was like kind of on the fence about because it's not my typical go-to sort of product, but it is from New Lastin. It's the Brow Shape Altering Serum. So the reason why I said it's not really my typical thing is I don't tend to like these like eyelash grow serums, but this one's for eyebrows. So whenever I've gotten them in the past, I've used the eyelash growing serum for my eyebrows. So we are going to try this one out. It says, overplucked your brows as a teen? We've been there. Move on from that damage with this peptide pumped treatment that helps boost elastin to strengthen hair at the root to prevent fallout. The clear formula doubles as a styler, so consider it the type of 2-in-1 we actually recommend. After applying skincare, comb the spoolie through your brow hair in short upward strokes. Repeat morning and night for 12 weeks for fuller, thicker looking eyebrows that even Lily Collins would respect. I'm not sure who Lily Collins is. $84 for this, which is very expensive. From when I did my spoiler video, people were saying that it was like expensive and you go through a tube in less than the 12 weeks that you need to, like, you know, as per the recommendation here. There is a coupon code for this. So if you go to newlastin.com, you can get 30% off with the code ALLURE30, and that's valid through July 1st, 2026. So it looks like this is award-winning formula of guaranteed results, bio-designed proteins, signal peptides, cruelty-free, paraben-free, no added fragrance, not irritating, dermatologist tested, and it's made in the US. But I mean, this is what it looks like. not super exciting. It's just like the, also if I were to show you the spoolie, it would also not be exciting because it's not like a color product, it's like, it's a brow serum. So we have that as well. So the reason why I was like, okay, well those two products I will use, and then I kept looking through the spoilers. So I also saw this, and this one I've been kind of curious about because I've been wanting to buy like a new sort of beauty tool because it's like kind of relaxing. I've been like really into relaxing this year because it's been crazy the first 3 months. But this one is from Skin Inc. It's the Cryo Ice Sake Roller. It says, inspired by the Japanese drink, this pitcher-shaped cryo tool wakes up sleepy under eyes and temporarily tightens puffiness with cooling aluminum plate, and it changes color as it chills. Oh, didn't know that when I did my spoiler. So it says, pop this tool into your freezer until it turns pink. We recommend at least 30 minutes. Let it sit for about 5 minutes before applying your favorite serum. Then gently press the silver onto your skin, starting at the neck and moving upward. Continue massaging until the device is no longer cold, but no more than 30 minutes. This is $55. To me, that's a little pricey considering what this product is. I am going to Korea and I'm still on the fence about buying the tool, so let me know if you have it. Because it's like, I don't know, right now the won is really weak and I live and work in America, so the US dollar is kind of strong, but like, do I need it? I don't know. But yeah, this is like what it is. So it looks like a sake bottle, and then it has this silver end here, and this is the one that's cooling. I'm not going to put it on my face because I haven't washed it, obviously. I would say that it does not feel like a $55 product. Like, the plastic is like that hard kind of plastic feel that's not like super luxe feeling. I prefer that not be matte, because sometimes the matte kind of gets kind of gross, you know? But yeah, it's very like lightweight hard plastic, so you just like use this after it's in the freezer, and obviously I want to wash it first, but I'm happy for it to be in the box because also like everything after the first 2 products is a bonus. Actually, everything after the first product is a bonus because I think I paid like less than $20 per box because I did the annual, so you get like a per box discount. It's not really a discount, but you know what I mean. The next product is going to be this. At this point, I feel like if you've gotten every single subscription box from Allure Beauty Box for the past couple of years, you've maybe gotten almost the entire line. So this is from by Rosie Jane. It's the Rosy scent. So again, I think we've almost gotten the full one if you've gotten every one. But I've never gotten this scent, I don't think. And it's the travel size, so it is like bigger. We've been getting the rollerballs before, so this one is, it says, you don't have to be a fan of the woody perennial flower to enjoy this fragrance, but it doesn't hurt. With rose oil and its very name, you'd think this scent would veer floral. Instead, white musk and warm amber keep it grounded so it smells more like you. Spritz onto neck and wrist after moisturizing, and it'll cling to the skin and last longer throughout the day. This is $29 for the 10 mils, and I think this is the 10 mils. Yeah. So this is $29, and you can buy it on buyrosiejane.com, and you can get 20% off your next order on the website with code B/RJX Allure20, and that's valid through May 1st. So let's see how this is, because I don't tend to like rose fragranced products, and this is like a really natural scent. So let's see. I'm gonna spray it on here. I don't have other things that I don't want to necessarily. Oh, it does have a lid. That's nice. I was like, where's the trigger? Okay, it came out as a sputter. I'm wondering if that's just because it wasn't primed. Okay, it's not super rose, actually. Yeah, it's not super rose, so I think this might actually be wearable, and maybe this will be my travel perfume, like truly. I'm gonna have to test it out and see how it sits on my skin and stuff, because you know, everybody's skin is different. But yeah, it smells good on paper. The next product is the one that I think I got a little bit tricked by in the photo. It looked like it was like bigger and it looked like full size, but I think this is actually a sample size. This is from Omic Plus Skincare. I think that's the brand name. 10% tranexamic acid face serum. So I have been really liking tranexamic acid for a couple of years now, and actually that seal was not sealed properly because I didn't even need to use the paper cutter. It says, move over vitamin C. There's another dark spot reducing ingredient in town. And this serum has 10% of it. So let me pull it out, because this is like quite small actually. Like quite small. Oh my gosh, it's stuck. Okay. So it is quite small. It's like 10 mils or 0.33 fluid ounces. And usually like a full size serum is 30 mils / 1 ounce. So I think it's like 1/3 the size, so it's a deluxe sample, I would guess. It says the serum has 10% of it. It's also made with moisture-boosting glycerin and hyaluronic acid to hydrate skin as it helps treat and prevent hyperpigmentation. I'm wondering, I don't know if they could say it treats hyperpigmentation, because I think that makes it a drug. I think you could say it could, like, yeah, anyway. Add 2 or 3 drops to your moisturizer and apply in the AM and PM when using in the morning, and do not forget to apply sunscreen. So the full size is 30 mils, as I said. Apparently I was correct about how the full size would be 30 mils, and it would be $39.99. So this is 10 mils, so it's 1/3 that. And it says you can buy it on omicskincare.com, OMIC skincare.com. You can get 20% off site-wide with the code ALLURE20 and valid through June 30th, 2026. So we'll see how this one is. Again, I've been liking tranexamic acid, so we'll see how it is. And for example, this one here. Marian May sent me these via YesStyle, and this is tranexamic acid and glutathione. This is an eye cream, and it has been helping some of my dark circles a little bit, but don't look too closely because my cortisol is spiking right now. The next product here is from Belief. This is the Belief Aqua Bomb Frozen Cream, and it says no matter when you'd use this gel cream, first thing in the morning before a hot yoga session or after a nighttime sweat. What does that mean? Anyway, sorry. You'll instantly feel refreshed thanks to its teeny tiny capsules made of eucalyptus leaf extract that cool on contact. Slather a nickel-sized dollop onto skin, working your way from the top of your forehead down to the neck, then fan your face with your hands for extra energizing effect. So the full size is $26 for 50 mils, and this one is 10 mils, so what is that, divided by 5-ish? That's about a $5 value. You can buy this on Ulta. Usually the Belief samples are quite small, so a nickel-sized amount is kind of a lot of face cream, is it not? Yeah, so the box is like, look how big the box is and look how small the tube is. I mean, it might be nice for this to come with me on vacation or something, but like a nickel-sized amount, I think this is maybe like a week's worth of product, maybe? But we'll see. It says use morning and evening on here, so that's that. Oh, I thought there was gonna be one more product in here. I thought there was like gonna be like, you know, a little extra marketing material, but I guess I'm wrong. So that was the entire box. I will use everything. And actually this was a great box for me and my lifestyle because it's like stuff that I would normally use. Anyway, that is everything. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Oh, I've been really liking my camera. If you are somehow here at the end and you want to know about my new equipment, the Go Ultra is really worth it. I'll link you below for all of this stuff, and I would recommend it. I'm still trying to figure it out, but there's so many settings and the video quality is quite great, and I'm excited to take it with me on vacation. I have a couple of vacations coming up and a couple of work trips, so look forward to travel content coming at your way in 2027, and that's a joke. I'm going to try to edit a little bit more real time for travel stuff. Bye.